Hey everyone, this is Karen. I wanted to give you a quick updated video on how to use Weebly and get your site set up. So here I am at Weebly.com. You're going to click on Get Started, and here you're going to put in your name and your email address. Now I already have, I'm going to go ahead and think of a new one here. Okay, and we'll create the site. So we're not going to sell online, so we're going to say not now. And so here you get to choose your site. It really doesn't matter which option you choose because you can add and take away pages. So I'm going to just go ahead and we'll just do this one. Okay, so you can see this one has a home page, an about page, a news page. Those are the main pages I need. So I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, that works for me. I'll start editing. So it's going to start putting things together for me. Okay, so it's going to give you three options. You do not want to do a new domain because that's going to cost you money. You can transfer your domain to Weebly if you have one, but this is the option that I want you guys to use. And so here you're just going to have to come up with a name. I recommend you using your first name and your last name. That should be available. I've made so many sites that it's hard for me to find one that works, but it's going to be whatever you put in here, .weebly.com. It's really important that you write this down and you don't forget it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click continue. So here we are on the page. So this is the home page. So obviously I don't want this, so I can edit this and just say and that works. Okay, I probably don't want it to say this tastes the joys of juice. So anything that's on here, I can just click it and I can edit it. I can also just delete it if I want to. So I'll just get rid of that altogether. I can click on this picture. Let's see if it'll let me do that. So if I click on the picture, I can edit the background. I can replace it with a different image. And I can also edit this. So we're going to edit the home page at the end of the semester. So this has way too much information on it, but I'm not even going to worry about it right now because we're going to edit that at the end of the semester. Right now, what we're working on is the about page. So you want to come in here and put in whatever you want as the heading. Then you click here and you can edit the text. So you just kind of can highlight over it. And, you know, hi, my name is Karen Palmer. And just tell us a little bit about yourself. If you want to use these little topics, you can, if yours has that. It may not. You may have picked one with a whole bunch of pictures. You can click on any picture and you can edit it. Okay, so here I can just get rid of that altogether if I want to. I can add things. So over here on the side, you can just drag and drop things in. So I can drag in an image and then I can upload an image from my computer. Okay, so you can do whatever you want. So if something's not here, you can just drag it over. If it's extra, you can delete it. Okay, so for your blog, you're going to go to the news page and right down here at the bottom, you click on new post. You want to add your title, which I think I got a little bit of a message there. Let me cancel this. Okay, I'll just, so for the elements, now you want to use an image. So you want to put in an image of your ad. And then you also want text. So I'm going to go ahead and put some text down here. So then you can just click and you can type, this is my ad. Make sure you follow the instructions in the module this week so that you know exactly what I'm looking for here. You're not just copying and pasting your paper. You are re-imaging your text. So for an online audience. So this is a really important thing for you to be able to do because it helps you to transfer the information you've learned through the process of doing this assignment to other types of situations and to the real world. Once you're done making your post, you just click this orange post button up here. And I'm going to go ahead and close. And then the last step, you have to publish your page. If you don't publish your page, and see, it's going to give you the exact same thing again because they want to sell you these two things. So just click continue and it's going to publish the site. And so now I can go to my website and here it is. So my about is there and my news is there. Okay, so that is all that you need to do. I hope that helps you guys.